South Korean automakers Hyundai, Kia and Genesis have announced that their electric vehicles in the United States will have Tesla-style charging ports from the last quarter of 2024 onwards. Now, this will allow the owners of those vehicles to seamlessly use Tesla chargers. The companies, part of the Hyundai Motor Group, are the newest entrants to the widespread acceptance of the technology. They join Ford, General Motors, Mercedes-Benz, Nissan, Honda and several others in the pledge to switch to Tesla's North American charging standard. Now, older Hyundai models are currently built with the combined charging system ports. Starting in 2025, Hyundai will also provide adapters to owners of those EVs. Now, these adapters will allow them to use the Tesla chargers. This marks an especially significant development for Tesla. According to the figures from Kelley Blue Book, Hyundai, Kia and Genesis would together be the second best-selling EV manufacturer in the US after Tesla. Now, earlier, Tesla's charging system was proprietary and only usable by its own vehicles. But in late 2022, CEO Elon Musk invited other automakers to use the company's charging design standards. Analysts have pointed out that this could allow Tesla to argue that it should have access to federal funds to support its charging infrastructure. This, since the system is no longer limited to its own vehicles.